All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to look at what if I have the square. So this is our side, and of course this is the area. In order to find the area, we square the side. So if you want to find the side length, we square root the area. So for example, here I have an area of 100. So I'm going to square root this to see that my side length is 10. The other way around, in order to find the area, I'm going to square the side length. So this would be 8 times 8, which is 64. I'm going to do the same thing here to find my area. So 6 times 6 is 36. Here, same idea, except now we may have decimals to work with. In this case, if I want to, I can square root 40, which, let me get my decimals calculator because that's what we should be doing. SQRT 40. And let's round to the nearest tenth, so 6.3 would be our side length. I'm going to do the same thing for 10. The square root of 10 would be 3.2, again rounding to the nearest tenth. And then the square root of 30 would be 5.5. All right, last but certainly not least, let's look at these. Again, I need to know this time the area. So I'm going to square this to get 25, right? Because this is 5 times 5. I'm going to square this, which would be 12 times 12 to get an area of 144. And then I'm going to square 13 to get an area of 169.